The spirit of Christmas resides at 325 Dravo Avenue in Beaver, a cozy retreat decorated inside and out that combines warmth and elegance, whimsy and fun. Homeowners Michael and Rebecca Mickler bought the American Foursquare 9 years ago. Built in 1896, it needed a lot of TLC. They put their distinctive touches on the place, and it's one of 5 stops featured December 2nd in Saints Peter and Paul Christmas Candlelight House Tour, now in its 32nd year. Visitors will find decorated trees in every room, some adorned with treasured family keepsakes. A Christmas village sits atop a mantel in the family room. A nativity made by Rebecca's mom is the focal point in the living room. And don't miss displays of holiday plates and dishes that Rebecca collects. Tour hours are 4 to 8 p.m. December 2nd. Tickets are $15 in advance, $20 day of. Advance tickets can be purchased at Hostess Gift Shop, Cafe Calace, and Saints Peter and Paul Church Rectory in Beaver, and also at Rome Monument in Rochester. Tickets are available during the event beginning at 3:30 p.m. at Saints Peter and Paul School Activities Building on East End Avenue. Reporting for TimesOnline.com, this is Marcia Kiefer.